Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Google Chrome. So as you can see here, I've already opened my Google Chrome, and if you want to zoom in into the windows or to a certain text, for example, I want to show you how. There are two ways that you can use. The first thing is you can just click on the three dots icon at the top right toolbar, and you can see there is a zoom option. If you want to zoom in, just click on the plus icon here and it will zoom in like this. Or you can also use the other ways. I'm going to make it smaller first. So the other ways I can't show you, but if you want to zoom in, you can just click on control and use your scrolling on your mouse or on your computer like this, and it will zoom in like so. Okay, that's so easy that you can choose this way or this way. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.